Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can flip or mirror a video on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up the Photos app. In here, tap on the Library tab at the bottom to go to your Photos library. In here, go down the list and select a video that you would like to flip or mirror. And then tap on the Edit button at the top. Next, tap on the Crop button at the bottom toolbar. In here at the top here, there is a flip button, so just tap on it to flip your video. And then tap on Done. And that's it. So now your video can be played in a flip or a mirroring format. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.